I have my reading toolkit right here. I have one for reading, I have one for writing, and this is something that I bring around with me my entire independent reading time, whether I'm working one-on-one, I'm doing small groups, strategy groups, guided reading. And one of the things I wanted to show you inside my toolkit is one of my most important tools that I use when I'm working with kids. So first of all, many of you might be familiar with the Reading Strategies book. This is the 2.0 version, been using it since the 1.0 version. And then what I also have is some mentor text. And these mentor texts have all of these different tabs that I have put on them. And so I'm going to share with you what those tabs are and how I use these books. So I choose a book that the children are very familiar with so that I can use this book for all different types of skills, and the students aren't trying to figure out what's happening in the book. They're not asking questions about what's happening in the book. And for this book, all of the tabs that I have here, all of the blue tabs are actually for print work, fluency, expression, accuracy, and I have each one labeled for me to quickly refer to whenever I am working with a student. So for example, this one is reading with expression, and these numbers right here correlate with that reading strategies book. So this page would be a perfect page for me to use if I'm trying to have the student match the feeling, or if I'm having the child try to read like a storyteller. Another place that you would find a blue tab, this one is for phrasing, so reading to the end of the line. I put this 4.5, that's the strategy number from the Reading Strategies book, and I also put the name of the strategy, so say goodbye to robot reading. So this would be a great page for us to work on that. Now, anywhere you see the yellow tabs, that is for more of our comprehension skills. So for this page, I said that we could use this to help with character feelings. So 6.1 in the Reading Strategies book, 6.4, and I can quickly just turn to this page and know that this would be a great page for us to use to help us work on this strategy. And I've done this throughout the whole book with all different types of strategies for all different types of skills. And this is just a quick resource I can pull out of my reading toolkit whenever I need to work with a student, whenever I need a mentor text. And it is a book that we spend a lot of time with together as a class, so they are very familiar with it.